Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Unibet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and once it is opened up, tap on the search box and simply type in Unibet and start your search. Now once you find the Unibet application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will begin the download and installation of the Unibet platform on your smartphone right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Unibet application right away. And once you open it up, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging in to your existing account, and then you can immediately start betting within your preferred games using the Unibet platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Unibet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.